This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ruth Barrios. Welcome home to Lakeside Living. Step into this beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath oasis, where modern elegance meets serene lakefront views. With a thoughtful open floor plan, this home invites both relaxation and connection. The heart of the home, the kitchen, boasts stunning granite countertops, perfect for gathering around with friends and family. The den offers a cozy space for a home office, reading nook, or play area. Designed for both privacy and togetherness, the split-bedroom layout provides a private retreat in the master suite, while the other 2 bedrooms provide comfort and space for family or guests. Step outside to unwind with breathtaking, unobstructed views of the lake, where your backyard feels endless, thanks to the tranquility of no rear neighbors. The community is packed with amenities to enhance your lifestyle. Cool off in the expansive pool, let little ones enjoy hours of fun at the Splash Play Park, and bond with neighbors at the dog park and playground. This home isn't just a place to live, it's a place to love, where every sunset over the lake feels like a warm welcome. Come experience Lakeside Living.